and logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video, we'll just give you an update on TELADOC. They just released their Q4 2020 results, so we're going to go through that. Free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a larger audience so more people can learn investing in finance. TELADOC is a telemedicine company that provides virtual healthcare to their customers. So we're just going to go through some brief news. Healthcare chief and this multi-fold contributor has said that TELADOC is very innovative. So those with no time to see their doctor, TELADOC Health allows them to see them through the internet. So that is good. These two truly believe the future of the internet. So they're the leader in telehealth. They're the dominant name. They really believe TELADOC being way up here, ahead of the game. They invested in TELADOC really early on, so they truly believe this company long term. So we're now going to look at their Q4 2020 results. In 2019 they had 553 million in revenue, but in 2020 they nearly had 1.1 billion in revenue. To me, that is really good. Their memberships from 2019 to 2020 increased 41%. We see that the total visits is 156% increase, 71% from international visits and 184% from US visits. We're now going to look at their balance sheet, guys. In 2020, they nearly have 18 billion in total assets compared to 2019 where they only had 1.6 billion in assets. That is amazing. They nearly have 2 billion in total liabilities. Their assets are well above their liabilities, so that's a good thing. Is their long-term debt, which is currently 42 million. They have 733 million in cash, so that is more than enough to pay off their long-term debt. We're just going to go through their cash flow statement. In 2020, they had a net loss of 485 million. A chunk of this was from stock-based compensation. I'm not too worried about this because this is a way to pay their employees. They use 590,000 in investing activities, so investing into their business and other investments. They've got 560 million from financing. They have strong fundamentals. They have a strong cash flow statement. They also have a strong balance sheet. They nearly have 18 billion in assets, which is good. They have increasing revenues from 2019 to 2020, and I do think this will increase over the years because people who don't have time to go to the doctors will go to TELADOC for telemedicine services. So that's my opinion. Look at some price targets from some analysts. They have a price target of $259.25. That's an increase of 17.26%. We have 4 analysts who rate this as a buy and 1 as a hold. 1 5-star analyst who rate this as a buy at a price target of $330. So I do think it's really good. Looking pretty good for this stock. Don't invest in this company based on these analysts. If you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, you believe in their future, then invest in the company for what they are. What is ARK Invest doing with this stock? They bought 151,000 shares to their genomics ETF. Second, they bought 393,000 shares in their innovative ETF, 39,000 shares into their fintech ETF. If you still believe in the company and they still have strong fundamentals, then buy the dip. I want to invest $1,000 in this company. $1,000 is just an example. You can invest how much you want. On the week, they're down 25%. I do think the reason this is down is because the whole market is down. On the year, they're up still 76%, so that's good. So anything below $240 is a good time to invest. So on Monday, put your first $250 no matter the price, because we believe in this company long term. Then on Tuesday, if it drops to $215, put your next $250 on this. On Wednesday, if it drops to $210, put your next $250 on this. Then on Thursday, if it drops to $200, put your last $250 on this. It might not go that low, but we'd have cash on hand to buy these dips. So once we average down, we ride this back up to its highs. So this year, this stock could reach $400. Long term, 5 years, this could reach $1,000. But if this industry crashes, this could come down to $100. On TDOC's Q4 2020 results. Free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a larger audience so more people can learn investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one. Happy investing.